Sorry about that. OBS took a big crap on me. We got it all back up now. Hopefully you guys are still being able to watch. So anyway, back to what I was saying. We'll go ahead and just turn on the small holes. We'll frame everything. You can see it going where the small holes are going to end up being. Making sure that they're lased in the right place. Okay, so it's only going to hit one time. I'm going to check the board, and then I'll hit it as many times as it takes to go through. That was very fast. So I will go ahead and take a look. We will lift up. Take a look at what's going on here. See how far it went through. Okay, so it is going to take a few passes to get everything in there. So we'll go ahead and place it back in. And then I'm going to go ahead and tell it to hit 4 more times. Say okay. And then we're going to go ahead, frame it, and then hit it. Now, I'm going to lift this whole thing up again to make sure that the holes went through. And they did not. So we're going to hit it 4 more times. Small holes are really difficult because they're small. So that's another 8 times. Hopefully everything already went through. Let me take a look. It looks like it did. Yeah, everything went through that time. Alrighty. So now more exciting. We're going to do the large holes. We'll turn off the small holes. We'll look at the everything on here to make sure everything's good. We have 4 passes on the big ones. We'll turn them on. We'll go ahead and frame it. These are a lot bigger. So let's see what happens. A little fiery there, isn't it? All right. So that was 4 times. We're going to go ahead and lift this up again. Make sure everything went through. Ow. Little hot. So we need to hit it a few more times. We'll blow off the debris real quick. So I can't imagine it going more than 2 more times. So I'm going to close this and go ahead and set down the number to 2 and then frame it and hit the start. Here we go. Wow. Believe it or not, the chat started finally coming through. I have no idea why it's coming now. All right. Let me go ahead and check this out again. See if the holes went all the way through this time. And it looks like they did. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and brush everything off. Kind of clean everything up. We'll go ahead and stick it back in. We have 1 more step to go. Well, actually 2 more steps to go. But the first step is going to be to turn off this layer and turn on the mask removing layer. We'll go ahead and frame that out. Let me look and see how many passes I have on this one. I just don't want to go too many passes. All right, so currently I have it set to 1 pass. I'm going to go ahead and set that. I'm going to leave it at 1 in case we have to change anything. So we'll go ahead and frame it out. You can see what's going on. And we'll start it. And you can see where it's removing all the solder mask from the pads. You can see the holes now a little bit better. We're definitely going to have another pass, so. Oh, well, I had it on, crosshatch, so it's going to do it twice anyway. I'm going to turn crosshatch off. And it looks like it's going to be one more pass to get everything totally cleaned up. So let me go in there and change the cross hatching real quick. And go ahead and set that just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and that was 2 passes. We're going to frame it. And we're going to hit it again. There we go. Take a look at it. And it's looking fairly good. I really think I don't know if I knocked those pads off or not. I think I might have. Stand by. Yeah, figure it out now. No. Yeah. I think I might have knocked the pads off. I don't know whether I knocked the pads off when I put the holes through it. Probably. So anyway, we're going to not do any more to that side. And we'll go ahead and flip it over. And we will close this one and open up the back mask. We're only going to do 2 at a time this time. Okay, frame it and hit start. Yeah. It looks like I'm knocking off some of the, yeah. Well, I guess I'm going to have to figure out a different way to drill those holes so that it doesn't blow through everything. Go ahead and hit that one more time to clean everything up fairly well. I told you I didn't know how this one was going to work out. Yeah, it keeps on knocking those solder pads out. We're going to have a more gentler way. But, as you can see, it is possible to create a circuit board on a laser. just have to have a more gentle way of popping holes through everything. So on the next board, I think we're going to change some settings. So I think maybe we'll just have to have more passes at a more gentle power. That way it doesn't, not really sure yet. I'm going to have to do some testing with it and we'll see. Well, anyhow, thank you very much for joining us today. We will do another series on this, and that way you can see my progress. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.